Well, is there an easy tutorial illustrating ways about call log backup and restore on Android devices? Well, we are meant to help you settle the problem upon call history backup and restore. With 5 tested approaches, let's move ahead and explore this definitive guide now. Option 1. How to backup and restore call log on Android via backup and restore software. When backing up Android data, prioritize security, integrity, and ease of use. Ensure previous files aren't overwritten. Mobican Backup Manager for Android excels in these aspects. How to backup call logs on Android with Android Backup and Restore. Step 1. Run the program on your computer after installation. Connect your Android device via USB cable. Enable USB debugging if necessary. Once recognized, the main interface will appear. Step 2. Here, click Backup option from the screen, and the incoming page will display the types of data on the phone for backup. Step 3. Just mark call logs and tap Browser to locate or create a folder on computer to store the backup files. Next, hit Backup button at the bottom right to initiate the backup task. How to restore Android call logs with Android Backup and Restore. To restore backup files to your Android device, select Restore from the main screen of the tool. Choose the backup containing call logs, then press Restore again to retrieve them to your device. Option 2. How to backup Android call log and restore it with Assistant for Android. If you want to preview the details of Android call logs and backup and restore them selectively, it is necessary to come to know Mobican Assistant for Android. Backup call logs on Android. Download Assistant for Android. Connect your device via USB. Open the tool. Identify your phone. Click Contacts, Call Logs to preview. Tick Records. Click Export to save as ZML on your computer. Access freely. Restore call logs on Android. It is also pretty simple for you to restore call logs from computer to Android. To do so, just choose Call Logs from the left and click on Import to locate your backed up call logs on computer. Then select the call logs you want and restore them on Android device. Option 3. How to back up and restore Android call history with call logs, backup, and restore. Backup call logs on Android. Step 1. Install call logs backup and restore on your Android. Step 2. Open it. Tap Backup. Name your files. Tap OK. All call logs will backup. Restore call logs on Android. Simply head to the main screen of this app and touch Restore button. Then opt for your wanted call history from the backup records and tap on OK button finally. Option 4. How to backup and restore call history for Android with Super Backup and Restore. Backup Android call logs. Step 1. Download, install, and launch Super Backup and Restore on your Android. Step 2. Tap Call Logs, Backup. Name the backup files and tap OK to backup call logs. Restore call logs to Android. Start this call history backup app and touch the Call Logs section from the main interface. Then click Restore option and mark the call logs folder from the backup records. Subsequently, confirm the action and your call logs will be restored then. Option 5. How to backup and restore Android call logs using SMS Backup and Restore. Backup call logs on Android. Step 1. Download SMS Backup and Restore from Google Play. Install on your Android. Step 2. Open. Tap Backup. Check Call Logs. Sync to Cloud Google Drive, Dropbox, or save locally. Restore call logs on Android. Step 1. Launch the utility on your Android. Select Restore from the main screen. Check Call Logs. Step 2. Enter your cloud account. Specify a location to save call history on Android for restore.